Hi all, welcome back. I'm Aaleen Khan. Today's video is how to make a perfect, juicy and soft Mutton Shami Kabab recipe. Here I'm not using egg in the preparation, so let's start and see how to make these perfect Shami Kababs. To begin with, first we need to wash and soak half cup chana dal for at least 2 hours. Soaking the dal will double its size and turn soft and make it easy to cook. After 2 hours, into a pressure cooker, I am adding 500 grams of boneless mutton, which is cut into small pieces to make it quick and easy to cook. Four dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 small cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 6 to 8 peppercorns. I am also adding 1 large potato, peeled and cut into half. This helps in binding and makes the kebabs soft. 1 roughly chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, a pinch of red chili powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, soaked chana dal, salt to taste, 150 ml of water. Mix well and add a tablespoon of oil. I pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. First check if there is any juices released or if there is any moisture. If yes, turn on the heat and we need to dry out all the moisture by stir frying on high heat till the mixture is completely dry. Now you can see that all the moisture has dried out. Turn off the heat and transfer the mix into a clean dry plate or bowl. We need to cool this, so spread the mix evenly. Once cooled, add finely chopped handful of coriander leaves and mix well. Now with the spatula, mash the potatoes and dal. You can see how easily the mix begins to bind. I do this as it makes the grinding process easy. Now in batches, add the mix to the grinder or chopper and pulse it a couple of times till the mix is ground well and combined. The texture is smooth and has a thread-like consistency. Now wet your palms and give a mix. Also, I love to add 1 chopped green chili and 1 finely chopped onion. Here I haven't added green chili today as the mix is perfectly spiced. Do not skip adding the onions as this makes the kebabs crunchy and adds more flavor. Once mixed, apply oil or ghee to your palms. Scoop out a lemon-sized portion of the mix. Bring it together and roll it into a round shape. Apply a little pressure to flatten it and bring it into a kebab form. This whole mix gave me around 20 kebabs. You can store this in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator for about 2 days. Now heat a pan and add oil to shallow fry the kebabs. Add the kebabs one by one into the hot oil. Since the kebab mix is cooked, we need to fry this only till it turns golden brown. So fry for 1 minute on each side on medium heat. After a minute, I'm going to turn them to the other side and fry for another 1 minute. Let's see if they are done on the other side as well. Now remove them immediately and serve hot with green chutney, mayonnaise or ketchup. I served it with ketchup. And see what happened with a blink of an eye. Wow! So I hope you found this Shami Kabab video helpful and loved it. Give this recipe a try and also subscribe to my channel to meet us again for easy recipes. Thank you so much for your support. Take care, stay blessed and stay safe.